If you want to speak English faster and more naturally, this video is for you. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pro English Lab. In this lesson, we're going to learn one of the most important verbs in English, the verb do. It is an essential verb for everyday English conversations. We'll learn what it is, when we use it, and how it works in the present, past, and future tenses. We'll also learn how to use done and doing with clear, everyday examples. So, let's get started. Do verbs. The verb do is one of the most common verbs in English. We use it every day in different situations, such as asking questions, making negative sentences, and talking about actions. The verb do has several forms that we use in different tenses and sentence patterns. These forms are do, does, did, done, and doing. Now, let's learn how to use each form step by step. First, let's start with the present tense. In the present tense, we often use do and does to make questions and negative sentences. Today, we'll focus on questions. We use do with I, you, we, and they. We use does with he, she, and it. Now, let's look at some examples. Do I need to bring my passport? In this sentence, do is the helping verb. Do you drink coffee every morning? In this sentence, do is the helping verb. Does he work in a hospital? In this sentence, does is the helping verb. Does she enjoy reading books? In this sentence, does is the helping verb. Does it look better now? In this sentence, does is the helping verb. Do we have enough time to finish? In this sentence, do is the helping verb. Do they live near the airport? In this sentence, do is the helping verb. In all of these examples, do and does are helping verbs. They help form questions in the present tense. Now that we understand how do and does work in the present, let's see how this verb changes when we talk about the past. In the past tense, we use did with all subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's look at some examples. Did I make the right decision? Did you watch Pro English Lab yesterday? Did you call your friend yesterday? Did he finish his work on time? Did she visit her family last weekend? Did it rain last night? Did we choose the right answer? Did they arrive at the airport safely? In all of these examples, did is the helping verb. It helps form questions in the past tense. Now that we understand how did works in the past, let's look at how we use the verb do when we talk about the future. In the future, we use do after will to talk about future actions. Let's look at some examples. I will do my homework after dinner. You will do your best in the interview. He will do his job carefully. She will do the shopping tomorrow. It will do more harm than good. We will do everything we can to help. They will do the cleaning after the party. Remember, in all of these examples, do is not the helping verb. It is the main verb that describes a future action. Now, let's learn another important form of the verb do. Done. Done is the past participle form of do. We use done with have, has, or had in perfect tenses. Let's look at some examples. I have done my work for today. You have done a great job today. He has done his work already. She has done the shopping. It has done its job well. We have done everything we needed to do. They have done their best. In all of these examples, done is the past participle form of the verb do. It works with have, has, or had to describe completed actions. Finally, let's learn another important form of the verb do. Doing. Doing is the present participle form of do. We use doing in continuous tenses to describe actions that are happening over a period of time. Let's look at some examples. I am doing the dishes right now. You are doing a great job. He is doing his work at the moment. She is doing the laundry. It is doing well. We are doing our best to finish the project. They are doing their homework together. In all of these examples, doing is the present participle form of the verb do. It helps describe actions that are in progress. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. In the present tense, we use do and does to form questions. In the past tense, we use did to form questions. In the future tense, we use will plus do, where do is the main verb. For perfect tenses, we use done as the past participle form of do. And for continuous forms, we use doing as the present participle form of do. Now you know how to use the different forms of the verb do in English. Great job! Now you understand how to use do, does, did, done, and doing correctly in English. Remember, the verb do is one of the most common and useful verbs in daily conversations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Pro English Lab for more simple and practical English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.